Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install and set up custom LED lamp notifications on your Xiaomi Redmi 10C. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store, and from here start a search for an app. Write notify body and hit the search button. Select this app, click install. After installation process is complete, we can open our app, move to the next step, and you'll need to grant two permissions to the app. First one is overlay, click grant, go down, find notify body, click on it and allow display over the other apps. Move back, go for notification permission, and here do the same thing, locate notify body and allow its access. Select the circle right here, and after 10 seconds you'll be able to press OK. Go back, and third thing right here is battery optimization, which you can disable if the app doesn't work properly, but it's optional. So I'm not going to do that. Let's skip through that and press OK again. From here we can start using our app, and you can see 4 tabs right here. First one is user, and here you can pick which app will get the custom LED lamp notification. So here I'm going to select Facebook. In the system you can select any system bound apps, so for example Android Auto. You can go for active to see all of the apps that you've just activated. In the settings you can customize your LED lamp, change the time, enable or disable it, the time between blinking and change the color, shape, place on the screen, even the size, but some of the settings are locked behind the premium version of this app. So after everything is set, we can press test in order to see how the LED lamp will look like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.